Alright, welcome back to another video. So today we're playing DVD and we're playing as well, I'm gonna try and do a hillbilly winstreak today. So that's the idea. Because I got better as him. It's actually quite easy. I might swap out Blackborn though to something else. Or Hex Ruin instead. Because I mean Magret's good because in case people are trying to body block, but unless it's a waste, then also, if like they do bring a flashlight, I think I might swap Hex Run for Madrid. And then yeah, this one's actually alright when paired with Hex Room. So we gotta kinda watch out for that totem, make sure nobody messes with it. There's no flashlights, no. Look at this squad here. Oh, just go straight in. Hard to recognise them, though, so that's unfortunate. I have to try and memorise them. Maybe I should choose the offering. Had a bit. Maybe. The other day I got like a hillbilly game and I slugged three of them and I found the fourth and it just got pure chaos. They all just died all at the same time. Didn't do a single generator. Yeah, this map's actually a good one. Damn it. That's 9. 1,000 there, probably would have got that as well. Damn it. Get the hit there. Yeah, it's fine, it was chucking all the pallets. So I'm fine with that. I see. That's one down. Pick up here. Also trading. That's fine. Let's chainsaw there. We're that close. You think I am, mate? Not that dumb. I think I'm that dumb. And you're dumb. That's 2 down. The optimal thing now would be to unhook our body. Not very good either. We should probably aim to do. Oh, well, they've all been hooked once. This is bad because we got too close together now. And then there's 2 unhooked. They're both injured. It's a terrible situation to be in. Now 3. but one injured. Then maybe we just get you out now. That's over basically, unless they've got unbreakable or something like that. Flipping heck. This has been a chaotic game. We'll start the win streak. We're all slugged now. Just gotta find more. Didn't want to do that there, but it's fine. Probably crawl away to this side. Not overly sure, however. Where I could have gone. And they had plenty of time to move, so it's like they won't win because they both got the same amount of time. Been slugged, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to edge of map. They're trying to see if they can catch us out or something. Damn it. Just gotta find them now. But I don't really want to any of them. You know, they'll die quicker. That's just totem or hex. And no, actually they didn't even work on the hex totem. Pretty easy game to start with. You just need to find where they're at and stuff. Probably gone to the middle, haven't they? I mean, a 3K's a win, so we're guaranteed to get a win. The gate or the hatch is going to spawn. Could always be there. Not my most favourite game level, but still a win. I mean, I think they're both going to die at the same time, you know. Both about to die. I don't know where they could have called, to be honest. Maybe I don't know where. That ain't getting out. They're going to bleed out. Yeah, I thought so. It's not a pretty good game. You're number one. So he actually did get picked, but I wasn't even aiming for that. But that's fine, I guess. So you were the last one in. So he was new. All of them were new. So my mom. So all of them were pretty much new, except for this one. Pretty easy game. The number one in the win streak. I'd say more than pretty easy. It's got 7,000 BP point or BP left. Not quite that, so it's just up there. Okay, that's cool. Hmm. Wait, not still on. The creates a nuke every time after using. Um, okay, we'll do that instead. Wasn't a super easy game, but it's just a long one because we didn't find them. I don't know that it's a troll, to be honest. The first match, I think they were all new, except for the keeps. I think the ace was like new because that's one of the first you unlock if you played on console. We've got this really annoying thing off there, don't we? See if I can get rid of that. I can actually, maybe I should have tried that earlier. I'm just gonna put my cursor up to green. Well, I'm just gonna do a shot, I guess. Who will I get next? So it's 4,500. I think I might go for light, or I think I'll go plate next. Then I'll go artist because I want Scourge up painless. Resonant, resonant. And for the next one I might get in the shop for custom game one, like Jane. And I'll get Yui, Serena, Felix, Elodie, Junjun Lee, Kayla, Juna, Adi, Vittorio, Sadita, Fernando, Gabriel, and Nicholas. When I can't get Nicholas. So that's the order I'm going to get these slams at all, and here at the end. And what feels to actually have unlocked, so I'm going to could bring this. No, I think I have to bring this. And then, ooh, I think I should. No, I don't like the glowing eyes. I could pose as a scarecrow. That'd be funny, wasn't it? I'm not going to bother with that, though. Actually, game's going to take a while to load. This will probably be our last one. I mean, all we got to lose is one so far, so it's fine. They're not bringing flashlights, so we'll just not. So, okay, I'm thinking about, I'm gonna keep my grip because they might try and block and send. If they try and body block, then it's fine. But what does my grip even do on it? Let me just have a look. For 4 seconds, okay. I guess what's a hover over light bulb? Oh, they gave me even more time to prep. So I'm just gonna hover over light bulb just to be safe. Yeah, no man, I don't think I need it, to be honest. Okay, we got Steve. I think maybe I get with Mad Grit and then bring Lightborn. And then let's just stick with this build. 2 flashlighters run. That's been seen. Just bring Lightborn at that rate. Ew, didn't get to flip. They got 3 perks. Damn it. Shoot, I can't leave now as well. I really need that blue. I mean, I don't really think I need Mad Grit, but yeah, it's fine. I am hosting a Forsaken tournament, so if you want to join, just send me a comment. And yeah, at least I'm familiar with this map. It's caught on that corner there. They better not get rid of my Hex Ruin. Wait, what? Just flipping disappeared. Yeah, this guy's just a troll. I think I should probably get Steve first. I'll just leave it. Oh man, I can probably go him as well. Do I get a picker? I for a fact I won't be able to get it. Chase him away, hopefully. Gotta. Guess what? You can't get a flashlight. Line now. Wow. No. It's on the pallet. This side. Yeah. We get this down here. It's hiding in the locker or something, waiting, isn't he? I don't know. Just go back. And if you're not, it's fine. Guess I can just turn on Michaela. Fine by me. What's the lag with this server, man? I'm hoping I can get Michaela out early on, at least. When now I've got like a Mori collar. Got some Mori here. There you go. Ah, I got him as well. It's only 3 perks as well in this game, innit? So if I can just keep them away from Basement Shack, or if I can just keep them away from Gate Shack, then I'll never Phantom. I'll just have to deal with it forever. Yes. That is number 2. Wait, that's pop you up, I guess. Yeah, that was predictable there. Don't know what to do that. And somebody's a bit mad that I managed to get a hook on them. It's not even kicking it, it's just knocking it, I guess. They'll never predict that it's in Shack as well, will they? It's like flipping it. Wait, it's always going to be progressing, isn't it? No matter what. I'll just get a hit there. Much rather get a hit now than later. Wait a minute. Rebecca's this way, isn't she? So, I'm thinking. Pretty sure you know I'm thinking. I want to lure away from the left shack. Not to it. Get a hit there. Wait, everyone's injured, so I don't even have to go for the um they're in. Wait, no, they're not, because it's like they just left. Oh man, where are they? See, Steve and Rebecca honestly don't know what they're doing. We could just hold a street up there, couldn't we? 'Cause technically they could never beat it, so just regress instantly. Bro, they destroyed one of my only strengths as well. I'm gonna hate you. Please don't. That's fine because we'll just break it. I've done this with no perks before. Like I've beaten these guys. I'm not beating this exact team, but I can go like a really good team with perks on hillbilly. Some built different. Yes, it doesn't matter if they do this gem with that gen, I mean. Are they just all camping this? Yeah. I think we should go back over to that free gem, shouldn't we? Because I bet you flipping Rebecca's on there, on one of them. Cut out there. I don't really want to be defending like too far away. Definitely not. Yeah. Got time free gem hillbilly. And you got nowhere to run, I think. No, you don't. Let's get the first hook on you. I think I'm just gonna go down to basement and hook you there. Watching now we have to kick the gems. So if I'm on ruined. All it takes is us to like not check one of the flipping gems and then they just win them. All it takes is that, but maybe I should bring no way out. Or get no way out purple. Nope. It's two down. We get two basement. We'll do that actually. Because I have a way to lose. No, it's like one way or another they lose. It's like it doesn't matter what they do now. Unless they've got like adrenaline or something like that, then they lose. We just need a miss skill check now, don't we? Flipping heck. Alright. Let's go after, I don't know, go after Sable. Get a Sable. Come on, Sable. Maybe not. No. We get chainsawed at home. Come on. I'm just gonna fucking worry. Rebecca, I guess. More on you. I'm gonna straight back up and more Sable and then kill Steve. Because that's our deal. So no one's over there. Going to go check on Thielen, isn't it? Oh, we don't have to use the belt switch or will. I don't know. Checking the time, man. You can't win. So you can't win, man. I just need to put it in because my chainsaw fucking one hit you. There's no point. Can't hold the game hostage. So, because then you'll just get banned. Yeah, you got no choice but to fucking come over it, man. When he gets hooked on, he gets worried. Or both of you die. Well, I see one. They're probably gonna want me to go that way, so go this way. And we're gonna flip and mess these guys up now. We'll go back over there in a minute. Let's go back now. Just make sure Sable's not on any of the generators. Not on that one. On this one either. And it doesn't look like she's on that one. Maybe got a bit of ping. It's expected though, ping. When you're playing the scheme. I'm worried. Like an Sable, man. Let's be real, in real life, these guys are dead at the minute. The hillbilly. Let's be real. Sable would be dead. Not because she was just, I think she was just supposed to be an ordinary person. So she can take 2 hits with a hammer, which, you know, that would not work in real life, you know? Wait, what? It's just like a bad ping. I think I'll make it Sable first. Because I know where Steve is. Maybe I should have put bamboozle. I was looking. Okay, no. Yes. Go you. See, can't my breakers. Oh wow. So I had to come over, haven't you? I don't know exactly where you're at now. Just turn around. Just get a quadruple Mori. Or, they'll not for sacrifice. It does say kill 4 survivors, not sacrifice 4 survivors. We killed, not sacrificed. Wait, if we just, we could just fucking keep it, couldn't we? I mean, like, if he's dead either way. So, I mean, we just won't let him out this loop. Ever. Yeah, you can't win. It's like, you can't win, I'm sorry, Steve. I'm not gonna let you win. I feel as well. Damn it. Could have gone down, actually. Why don't I just do the basic hit? Why is he teabagging? Oh, the chainsaw of death. Because he'd be injured and probably be going a bit slower then. He'd be trying to heal, I guess. Ah, I'm just gonna chase him now. Problem is, he's just gonna keep wanting to loop. No matter what, he's just gonna keep looping and looping and looping. So that's one hit, and that's 2 hit, and you're dead. I'm sorry. Well, so you get when you try and bully squad, I guess. Oh, thank you for watching. That's definitely worth watching, wasn't it? Watching Bully Squad dismantle. See you in the next one. Peace. Peace out, ladies and gents. Bye.